Donald Trump is about to have Michael Cohen on his case again, but not in a good way. Welcome into TYT's Overruled. I'm your legal analyst, Adrienne Lawrence. The former president's former attorney and fixer, Michael Cohen, scored a win against Donald Trump last week. The New York Appellate Division, it ruled that Cohen can sue the Trump Organization to recover millions of dollars in legal fees. In the unanimous opinion, the appellate judges, they said that the lower court got it wrong when it dismissed Cohen's suit against Trump's company for the outstanding legal fees that he happened to incur when he was representing Trump in connection with the proceedings involved in terms of the special counsel, congressional hearings, and the FBI search warrant, per ABC News. In the lawsuit over legal fees, the appellate judges said it should not have been dismissed based on the finding that those fees were not, as a matter of law, incurred by reason of the fact that he had been an employee of defendant. Of course, these legal fees, they were amassed before Cohen pleaded guilty in December of 2018 for various crimes, including campaign finance violations, tax evasion, and lying to Congress. Now, Trump is notorious for not paying people who provided him with services. It's also something he kind of boasts about. So it's no shocker that he stiffed Michael Cohen. And given this court's ruling, we can definitely expect that Michael Cohen will proceed with seeking to be paid for those millions of dollars in legal fees. And we can also expect that the Trump Organization will likely try its damnedest to avoid paying Cohen for the fees, despite the fact that Cohen definitely did the work and clearly seemed to be successful. Because last I checked, Donald Trump had yet to be perp walked and was able to dodge any kind of actual consequences and associated with the first impeachment charges. All said, Trump's people should pay the man. But again, it is unlikely that the Trump Organization will do so, and that's for two specific reasons. First, Trump hates Cohen. As his former attorney, he had the nerve to speak truth about Trump's antics, including testifying before Congress. That is definitely something that Donald Trump is not a fan of, and we know he is a master retaliator. So that whole disloyalty thing really upsets Donnie, so I doubt he will authorize any payment. And second, the Trump Organization is not in a good place right now. That whole investigation by New York State Attorney General Letitia James, it has the Trump Organization basically hogtied right now in terms of what it can and can't do. And one of the things it can't do is really continue to earn money by way of the practices in which it was engaged in that are subject to the investigation now. So since I'm sure the Trump Organization really doesn't have a sense of what lawful business practices in which it can engage to generate money, it may not be generating much funds to begin with. So I'm sure it's going to want to hold on and clench every dime it has, including the millions in dollars in fees that it definitely seems to owe Michael Cohen. Still, I think Cohen should proceed with trying to get his money. I just don't know if he'll ever see a dime of that, but that's what happens when you get into bed with people who are, less than savory, if we can say that about Donald Trump and his organization. But I definitely do wish him the best. Then again, those are just my thoughts. You let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like and follow button, and thanks for watching.